My name is Harold Pearson. I'm the CEO of SPAAT, Student Program for Academic and Athletic Transitioning. Very excited to be here today. We're talking to student athletes about their futures and making sure that every student athlete is prepared for college careers and life beyond sports. Check it out.
I'm Marcus Fields. We're here at Stagg High School with SPAAT, Student Program for Academic and Athletic Transitioning. It's an amazing program that has been in existence 20 years. We're fortunate to have them here at Stagg High School working with our student athletes, preparing them for life beyond sports. So it's an amazing thing, and I'm looking forward to the impact that it's going to have on our student body population.
My name is Kai, and we learned about how SPAAT can basically be an advantage while going to college. They sent Marcus Peterson, and he went off for I think 8 years in the NFL. He had many offers, and then they just get you the right classes and stuff like that. It's really good. It's a really good program, and I think you should actually get into it.
My name is Alex, and today I just learned about the importance of keeping your grades up through all 4 years, so you're able to go to a decent college or do whatever you want to do after high school.
My name is Montez, and I learned that your grades is more important than sports.
My name is Oscar Garibay, and what I learned today is that I have a great opportunity of going to the next level, playing as an athlete, or just gaining a skill, learning more things, getting a job, whatever it is in my future. If I want to be successful in it, I have SPAAT to help me out.
What we learned today is just the importance of your grades and how applying for school early and really understanding what you need to do and what you need for the next level to get you to that.
My name is Mike, and I learned how to register for colleges, how the importance of FAFSA, the importance of your grades, your GPA, and what you need to get onto the college level.